story, but I can't tell it, but I know somebody who can.
Really? Who would be able to tell us the story?
Please welcome to the stage, Elizabeth Song.
Hello. This legend of the New Year is passed to us by Yang Kingfa, who received it from his master, Shongzhi Tong. A long time ago, before the world was divided into many regions, there lived two great men. Shi Yi, a person of high intelligence with a great heart, always looking to help mankind prosper, and Jin Yong, brother of Shi Yi's wife, a man filled with great evil, always preying on the weak. These two men were great rivals. Whenever Jin Yong terrorized men, Shi Yi was always there to protect them. Vengeful, Jin Yong kidnapped Shi Yi's son and transformed him into a cow. Jin Yong then butchered the son and threw a huge feast inviting Shi Yi. Honored, Shi Yi attended and joined Jin Yong in the feast. In the end, Jin Yong turned to Shi Yi and said, Shi Yi, you are a wonderful and well-respected man, but you are not as smart as they say, for you have just feasted upon your son's flesh and blood. Shi Yi was devastated, but he knew he had gone a long journey to retrieve his son's spirit or would be lost forever. Before he left, he gathered men of all ethnic background and told them to bring for each of them to bring 30 dishes made out of 30 different animals to host a feast. In return, Shi Yi promised to grant them land and a writing system. However, the Hmong were the only group of people who could not meet Shi Yi's requests and were not given land or a writing system. Shi Yi was merciful and instead provided the Hmong with lesing, which is a form of martial arts, before he left so that the Hmong could fend for themselves. He told them that every year around the same time, all the Hmong people will go out to practice lesing so that when Shi Yi returned, he could easily identify them as his people. Every year since, the Hmong have gathered together to perform lesing in remembrance of Shi Yi. However, as time progressed, the Hmong people lost the meaning behind listing, which is the practice of internal force to generate energy, and it became a nice ball-toss game of courtship between men and women as they searched for their soulmate. Now, the Hmong New Year marks the end of the harvesting season, where the Hmong people gather to send off the old year and welcome a new year with hopes of a brighter future. For telling us a story that gives us more in-depth experience about our Hmong New Year.
Yeah, that's one of the many stories that explains why us Hmong people celebrate the Hmong New Year every year. Well, if you guys didn't know, you mentioned Bona, these are our HUSA board members.
Ooh, if you're all
Yo vi trong là chỉ tin trong sự kiện là kiểu phong cái gì kiểu mô là nó cũng biết sự sinh thao cái the president the political Hmong United Student Association cũng trong xã là chỉ có biết cho nên tôi cũng chỉ biết nó ha bây giờ thì tôi biết cho cái trong là biết tôi sai nó biết cho nó quan tâm công trình tôi biết tôi sai tôi cũng chúng mình đó là chỉ tôi trong xã tôi trong là một người xã đó tôi của hai cái xã là chỉ cái nó cái gì Hello everyone, my name is Su Tao. I'm the president of HUSA. I'm a senior here at St. Thomas. So I want to thank you all for joining us today. We know that if it wasn't for all your support, we would not be here today. Just some words I'd like to leave you off with. As the old year passes and the year approaches, I hope that you all will, I wish you all good luck and fortune for the new year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mo Wei. I'm the Vice President of HUSA. 那些的那样的种子，不能做的做多，不公平了呀。去生产了，他做了这个自然呀，这个发的那样叫我参加没做了那些，什么那都参加没的，对了，被组织的都公司里了呀。很多人都做了的不理是的，那多这个的这多呀，多的那多没多的那个的多呀。我做了这个参加了没的，很多事都到没。
Thank you everyone for coming. My name is Becky Shong and I am the treasurer of HUSA. And if you didn't know, yes, I am a girl. Well, they already said thank you, so I'd just like to thank you again and hope you enjoy the show.
Nhớ trong lúc này lưu sinh pha ở trong xã ở bên chủ quân trong cùng ở bên trong xã ở bên trong những mong ha. My name is Lou and I'm the secretary for HUSA this year. I'm the fourth year at St. Thomas and I'm very glad that you guys can make it here and support us today. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Linda Jean and I am the events coordinator for HUSA. I want to thank you all for joining us today. Nhớ trong là quý hợp bác sĩ hiếu 너가 할까 하듯이 그 더워져 원래 제도 생활에 그 동사이 원하는